Hi, boys and girls. If you remember, the last time we talked, we said how you can learn by doing things around your house. So we said go for a walk. And I just want to show you a couple of things on my walk. When you're walking, something you can do is to try to identify plants. There are so many plants out there, crazy. One of the plants that I'm going to show you in my backyard is this one. It's called a rhododendron. The rhododendron is a perennial, which means it comes back every year. Plants are either perennials or annuals. Perennials, they come back every year. Annuals, they grow 1 year and then they're finished. So this is one perennial. Can you find a perennial in your backyard? Can you go for a walk in your neighborhood? Check them out. Another perennial I want to show you is over here. You can see these bushes. These bushes are called peonies, and there's something very special happening here. When you look closely, you can see ants on them. Ants, look, more ants, everywhere ants. Most people would think ants on your plants is bad, but these ants aren't bad. You see, the ants and this peony, they have a symbiotic relationship, which means, in this case, they help each other. It's called mutualism. They both help each other. The plant helps the ant helps the plant. So the ant is looking for something, like lots of insects. It's looking for food, and it found food on the peony. It likes the sugar in the peony, or the nectar in the peony. So it comes and gets food. But at the same time, since that's how the ant is being helped, the ant, when it's on the peony, is helping the plant. How does it help it? Well, it helps to loosen up the blossom so that it can bloom. And of course, we know how important that is. So we need a little help loosening up these blossoms. Excellent. And then the ant will defend its food. So the ant will make sure no other insects come on the plant. So we have gone on a little tiny walk. We've seen a symbiotic relationship called mutualism. We've seen perennial plants, and we talked about annual plants. Take time today. Go for a walk. Go find some plants. Ask the adult that's with you what they are, or look them up. We all have those resources. So stay healthy, stay happy, enjoy. Bye.